Give me my mind back now.
Я тот случай, голову ломай, круче всех сучек. Просто понимай, на высоту сам себя поднимай, свою пустоту, но и не заполняй.
man in uniform to carry home my little soldier.
Goody Two should have been a rock star.
But he didn't have the money for a guitar.
Goody Two should have been a politician.
But he never had a proper education.
Goody Two should have been a father.
But he never even made it to his 20s. What a waste, army dreamers. Ooh.
inside of here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile.
Yes, he's a hit maker, songwriter, superstar, right? And the fucking deadbeat that should never say more life. Meet the Grams.